Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about something really important that is kind of the key to success in affiliate marketing, and this is really what separates normal affiliates from super affiliates. Because if you see all of these big gurus who are making a lot of money, they have a big name for themselves, they have this in common. And if you want to build a business that grows real quick, and if you want to build a business that is really successful, you need to implement this in your business. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to talk about it. We're going to talk about exactly how do you implement something like this in your business and why it's such an important thing to actually have this. Okay, so let me tell you something that I'm sure you've heard it before. The thing is, money always brings more money. This is like, if you at least if you've worked by yourself to make that money, you know what to do with it. The more money you make, the more that money gives you more power to make more money. So money brings more money, right? So that's in business, obviously. So this is really important. Money brings more money, because if you want to build a business that is really big and a business that is really successful, you need to have something in your business that is going to allow you to make more money. Because the amount of money you make at the beginning is really important, because the more money you make, the faster your business grows, right? So this is what I'm talking about. This is something I kind of hinted a little bit in the previous video, but we're going to kind of get into this whole thing more and more. So if you just, let's say, top of your head, a guru, okay? So someone who's in this space, selling something or promoting a product or teaching, stuff like that. They always have this in their business. So what they do is, first of all, they have a product, right? They sell something. Let's say they sell this for $97, and hopefully this is going to be a good and helpful product, right? So what happens is, after a while, they start promoting something else. Okay, so they promote another product. Obviously not everyone is going to buy it, right? Remember, in previous video I mentioned the power of having a buyer's list, right? So after a while, they're gonna promote, or obviously sell you, if it's their own product, they're gonna sell you another product that might cost $3,000. Okay, so what is happening here is that if you want to make a lot of money online, you need to focus on high ticket sales, making big commissions. Because let's say you want to make $1,000, $10,000 a month. Let's say that's your ultimate goal. You want to make that much money every month. Okay, so you have two ways to achieve that. Number one, you can do as an affiliate marketer, you could sell ClickBank product, like normal products, to make $25 commissions. So how many commissions, how many sales you need to have in order to make that $10,000, in order to hit that $10,000 a month goal. So if you're making $21 per sale, like these small commissions, I'd say you need 400 sales, right? So 400 sales, or I don't know why I put that comma in there. All right, 400 sales, that's 400 sales from $25 sales. So that's 400 sales if you don't get any refunds. So now imagine, okay, you're making $1,000 per sale in commissions instead of $25. So see what happens if you're making $1,000 per sale, you only need 10 sales, right? So which one is better? This one or this one? Having to make 400 sales to reach your goal, or 10 sales? Obviously 10 sales is much better, right? Now, if you don't know how to sell high ticket products, we're going to talk about that future. It's really not that hard, but you get the idea, right? You need to have a high ticket funnel for yourself if you want to make that kind of commissions. If you really want to make a lot of money, these small commissions that come from like $25, $50 commissions, they're really not going to get you anywhere. And if you see any guru out there, they have this high ticket product at the end. They're selling something expensive, because this is where you make your money, not this. Yeah, I mean, at the beginning, if you're doing affiliate marketing, even these commissions, these small $25 commissions are really good, but think about how much money you need to make for it to be enough to quit your job. It's not going to be a couple of $25 sales. It should be big sales. So that's the point I'm trying to make, guys. High ticket products are the key to becoming successful. High ticket funnels are the key to becoming successful in affiliate marketing, and you need to have that. So what I'm going to do in next video, I'm going to talk about all these things, especially, you know, if you are brand new to online business, obviously you don't know how to build that. You don't have a product, so you need to use someone else's product. You don't know how to set up these funnels, so you know, you sell a product and it automatically sells the high ticket product, so you don't know how to set that up. So I'm going to talk about all that stuff in the next video. So next video is the most important video of this series. It's just absolutely important, okay? You don't want to miss that. So in next video, I'm going to talk about all these things in detail. I'm going to explain how you can get these done for you, so you don't have to build it yourself, because building it yourself is another story, because you have to test it, you have to invest money to see what works, what doesn't work. So it's not like something you build and it just works instantly, right? You have to test it. So so I'm going to talk about the way that you can actually get all of these done for you, ready for you to use. And a lot of different stuff like that. If you remember in previous video, I talked about the traffic, right? Having a really low ticket front end product and then convert that traffic, convert that list to bigger buyers. We're going to talk about all that stuff. I'm going to explain how you can get all that and done for you, so you don't have to build it yourself. So it's really important. Next video is really important, because that's where you get your business ready, done for you, and you want to watch that video. Really important. All right, so thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a comment, let me know that you're ready for the next video, because next video is really important. I'm going to email you when that one is out, and I'll see you in the next one.